Hello students of Standard 3rd. Let's begin an online session of Social Science. Myself, Ms. Priyanka Malode. Today's topic is variety of dresses in India. Students, we already saw the variety of foods in India. It means the India is a vast country, so many cultures and diversities and races and food, so many things in India. India is a land of colorful dresses. Visit any place and you will see the women wearing variety of dresses like shirt, jeans, trousers, sari, salwar kameez, ghagra, lungi, etc. And the man can be seen in kurta, pajama, lungi, dhoti, tama, jeans or trouser. Students, why is there such a variety in dresses? Yes, it is a main important factors of variety of dresses. It means climate and cultures and tradition. It is most important reason to variety in dresses, because in some places you will find people wearing warm woolen clothes, and in other places people may be wearing cool cotton dresses. So climate is important, and cultures and traditions, because some places cultures from the olden times they forwarded one generation to the another generation. So wearing different styles of the saris, different styles of the dresses, it is the wearing from one generation to another generation, because the influence of their cultures and the tradition, that is the most important reason. In hot and humid climate of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, people wear cool cotton cloths. The men mostly wear lungi and cotton shirts, and the women wear saris or lungi with the blouse. So this is the influence of climate. It is the depends on the climate, they wearing the different style, different types of the dresses. The people living in the cold climate is like Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, they woolen cloths keep themselves warm. The men wearing caps and women also wearing colorful scarves, so protect their heads from the chilly winds. So students, the dresses of women as well as the men, it is according to their climate and culture and traditions. So let's see the different styles of the women according to their pattern of cultures and tradition, according to their states. Let's see. Yes, Maharashtra, Manipur, Punjab, Bengal, Gujarat, Kashmir, Rajasthan, and Kerala. This is the different styles of the variety of dresses. Yes, students, we are also in cultures activity wearing this type of saris in according to their states, showing the cultures and traditions. So student, it is very important for known traditions forwarding one generation to another generation. So variety of dresses depends on the climate and their cultures and traditions. Now you solve the answer of the questions. Which two main factors are responsible for dresses of people? Second one, why is there a great variety in dresses in India? Third one, name two states of India having hot and humid climate. What type of dresses are worn there? Thank you, student, and have a nice day.